So it is with the said hard to announce passing away of Ntate Seputla Sebogodi. Let me just read a media statement from the family. The immediate family of Seputla Sebogodi confirms with profound sadness his passing on the evening of 15 July 2026 following complications related to diabetes. The family kindly requests a privacy as they mourn this immense loss and navigate this difficult time together. Seputla Sebogodi leaves behind an extraordinary legacy in South Africa theatre and television. He'll be remembered for his memorable performances in Generation Sebabem Bliss, Redemption, and most recently Scandal, as well as his acclaimed theatre work in production, including The Rivonia Trial, Once a Pirate, and Moist Street Moves, among many others. His legacy will live on through his remarkable body of work and many lives he touched. So that was the statement from the family. And I remember, I think 2 weeks ago or so, if it's not last week, I saw a picture that was circulating of him, and some people were mocking him, laughing at the way that he was looking. And I saw like somewhere people were saying that he was acting, it's not him, and there was just a lot that was said about that picture, not knowing that he was actually not okay. But you could actually see from his face that he wasn't doing well, he wasn't doing okay. We send our heartfelt condolences to his family, friends, colleagues, and all who knew and loved him. This is such a big loss. He played a very big role on our screens. What a legendary. May his soul rest in peace.